Good afternoon. It's Saturday, August 22nd, and this is a severe weather breakdown for eastern Colorado, specifically the Burlington area. No real severe weather in our area is forecast for this evening, although there is a slight chance again. Looking at this, storms are firing off the Front Range down near Castle Rock, headed up towards Lyman. Storms are coming out of the Boulder, Fort Collins area, moving off to the east. There is a mesocyclone discussion from the Storm Prediction Center that doesn't include us, but is close. Sterling down to just barely west of Lyman. Mesocyclone discussion 2084 concerning severe potential. A watch is unlikely for severe thunderstorms. Isolated occurrences, though, of large hail and severe wind gusts are expected to increase by mid-afternoon and continue through this evening. A watch is currently not anticipated only due to the limited coverage of the threat. So it's not going to be a lot of thunderstorms, but there will be some. So they don't anticipate putting out a watch because of the limited coverage of the threat. There is a hazardous weather outlook, though, for us coming out of the National Weather Service in Goodland. That includes Yuma, Kit Carson, and Cheyenne County. The hazardous weather outlook is for extreme northwest Kansas, east central Colorado, and southwest Nebraska. Thunderstorms forecast to develop along the Colorado Front Range. That's the ones we talked about coming out of Castle Rock and Fort Morgan area. That'll be late this afternoon. We'll track east towards the Kansas border this evening. A few storms capable of producing small hail and localized wind gusts up to 65 are possible. That's most likely what will be in our area if these storms make it out this far. And that's what it says next, is mainly in eastern Colorado, and that's between 7 p.m. this evening and 11. Maybe we'll get lucky and just get some more rain, some much needed rain. Days 2 through 7, though, which includes Sunday through all the way through next week through Friday, the risk for severe storms will return to the area early next week. Storms will develop along the Front Range and eastern plains of Colorado in the afternoons and then move east through the evening and overnight hours. Large hail and damaging winds will be possible with stronger storms. So that's something we'll have to keep an eye on through next week. We're not done with the severe weather yet. We could still see hail and winds and the possibility of tornadoes even this late in August. It's highly unlikely, but it still can happen this time of year. We were live streaming storms down in Kit Carson last night that went across. They were coming south. They were dropped across Highway 40, barely missing Kit Carson. And if you were subscribed to the channel and had the notifications turned on, you would have been notified of the live stream chase that we had down there. It was nothing real severe, but there was some big hail in there, some 2 and 2.5 inch hail that we were monitoring going through there, and some pretty storms. So subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and if there's severe weather in this area, I'm probably going to be around most of next week. We'll be going live for that and live streaming some of those events. So that's it for this afternoon's severe weather breakdown. Have a blessed afternoon. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.